Hi lovelies, happy new month to you all. In this today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to do this lovely braids, and this braid is called Coco twist. So if you really want to know how I achieve this lovely Coco twist, then keep watching, do not skip. If you are a beginner, if you are watching me for the first time, please don't forget to hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, this is me doing Coco twist. So if you want to do this lovely Coco twist hairstyle, as you all know, is also a trending hairstyle, so make sure you achieve this hairstyle on a clean hair. After that, you go ahead and you begin to braid the hair. So for this particular Coco twist, I'm using just one king, yes, just one king, and it's color 39. Yeah, that's the color I'm using. So the cotton is box cotton. Can you see guys? So I just want to show you guys, make sure if you are doing this particular hairstyle, like if you want it equal length, make sure you measure it before you start knotting it. Can you see guys, as I'm knotting the tips? So make sure you measure it first so that all the braids will be in equal length. So that's how I keep going. So I'm achieving it with box braid. Welcome back to my channel once again, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning in to this channel. Thank you so much guys, I really appreciate every one of you. And for my new subscribers, you are also welcome. Thank you all. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Leave a comment in the comment section, and if this video is helpful to you guys, let me know in the comment section. Leave a comment in the comment section. And if you have any else in mind that you want me to do tutorial, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to upload your request. Thank you so much guys once again. So this is me doing Coco twist. So if you want to achieve this Coco twist, first of all, measure the length. More so if you are doing it long or you want it short, depend on what your client wants, but this particular one is a short Coco twist. So you first of all start the hair with natural hair, as if you are doing knotless. So it's in form of knotless, yes. So you start adding the king to it, but make sure you start with the natural hair so that the Coco so that the Coco twist will flat the way you want it. So after that, you begin to twist it. So while you are trying to twist it, you twist it a bit tight. When you get to where her natural hair stops, then you begin to loosen your hand while you are trying to twist it. You make it loose twist. So after twisting it, you go ahead and you measure it just the way I'm doing, like this. Then you wrap the tip, you knot it. So after knotting it, you now use your hand to lock it very well. So this particular Coco twist is a kind of twist that will look like two hairstyle. It won't really look like twist, it will look like dread. Yes, that's why it's Coco twist. It will look dread. Can you see guys? So I'm done with this part. So I want to achieve fringe at the front. Can you see? So this is the fringe that I want to achieve. So I first of all section it aside while I'm working on the other one. So this is the fringe part now. So I'm trying to secure those ones so that I won't get disturbed while I'm trying to braid the front. So about this front now, the braid is going to be short, like it's fringe, so it's not going to be long. So it's just short braid. Can you see guys? So this front aspect, I section it into two parts. I don't want it too full so that it won't be disturbing my client. If you want it full, you can do that, depend on you, the choice is yours. So but this particular one, my client doesn't want something that will disturb her, then I decide to do it just two parts. So I section it into two. So that's why I'm braiding it. Can you see? So it's very scanty at the front, it's not too full, and it's so lovely. Can you see guys? So the cutting, let me tell you the cutting, how I cut this king. The back, I cut it into 3. While I'm getting to the front, I cut it into 2. So it's a 2 different cutting that I use to achieve this particular Coco twist. So can you see, guys? So when you braid it halfway, you begin to twist it. So if you wish, you can apply your echo styling gel to twist it so that it will blend the hair very well as you are twisting it. So it's not a must you apply it. If you know how to twist it very well, so you are good to go. Can you see, guys? So after, when you are done twisting, you knot it, then you use your hand to lock it so that it will look like dread. So after that, this particular one, you don't need much trimming. You just trim it a bit, then you go ahead, you style it. After styling it, you go ahead, you apply your, before you style, you can apply your mousse, or after the styling you can also apply your mousse, all the same. So you go ahead and style, or you apply mousse before styling, whichever one you choose to do. And this is the final look of the Coco twist. Let me know in the comment section if you guys love this video, and thank you so much, guys. Can you see how my client is flaunting it? Thank you. I love you all.